Hello guys and welcome back to this new Unreal Engine tutorial, and today we are going to talk about cameras and rendering. So guys, you can see that I am holding a sniper rifle with a scope, okay guys, and on the top right of the screen you have my FPS. So guys, let's see what happened when I aim on my scope. When I right click, you can see that I have a drop FPS. Why? Because my scope is using the 2D render component, which is this one. I will show you 2D, the scene capture component 2D, sorry, and it's using it to display the view of the camera, the scene capture component 2D on the scope. The scope is spawned on the begin play. Okay, guys. So guys, this is why. Sorry, this occur why? Because when you are playing, okay, here you are seeing only through the camera of your character, okay, which is the TPS camera or FPS camera in this case. But when I aim, you are you are viewing, you are seeing through the ADS camera, and the ADS camera is rendering the scope, which is rendering the 2D scene component on its reticle. Okay guys, this is why we have this drop of FPS, because we are rendering, we are viewing through two cameras, and each camera is rendering the world around. Okay guys, so make sure in your games to always disable the cameras that you are not using, and especially if it is the scene capture component 2D, because it's very government in performance, and it will slow down your game. You can see that you can see this issue so often when you use the scope or security cameras on computers or screens in your game, especially if it is a stealth game or a spy game. Okay guys, also you can see it when you are using a mini map, sorry, because we often use we often use the capture scene component for displaying the mini map on the top like this. Okay, for example, in this case you can use an UI which get visible and hide when you need it. Okay, don't use it in permanence. Also guys, so you have the AIs. In my case, I am using the same character for the player and the AI. So, for example, here, when I click play, you can see that this character is this character is the same character of the same blueprint of my player character. And I have set it before in my previous series about how to make an FPS game. So here, since it is the player character and the AI player character, it will have the cameras, okay, of the TPS, of and the FPS. So make sure that when it is an AI controlled, you can, in my case, if you have followed the previous series, if you remember, we have used it here. Okay, if it is a play controlled, so true, and we will go on with the logic. But if it is false, we will need to, we'll see. Actually, I have not set I have not deactivated the cameras when it is AI controlled, so I will do it with you. I will drag my two cameras here and deactivate them one by one, like this guys. So when it's after the event begin play, we will check if it is play controlled. False, we are going to deactivate the two cameras. Okay, also guys, you need in order to properly deactivate the cameras, and especially in the case of the scene capture components 2D, you will need to use the set hidden in game, because in the case of the scene capture component it will not work. And this is exactly what I have done for the ADS. You can see here I am hiding the scene capture component of my weapon blueprint here, because deactivating deactivating it, sorry, alone will not work. So here, after the begin play, I will set hidden in game to camera, new hidden, and use accessory deactivate nodes. Okay, guys. So, guys, it was pretty much everything for this video. I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned for this new optimizing series, and see you in next video.